Accessible health care for Oklahoma veterans. That's what officials expect to happen now that ownership of the new Tulsa VA Medical Center has been transferred to the Department of Veterans Affairs. The multi-million-dollar project was made official today. News Channel 8's Jaya Brown brings us the very latest.
A historic moment took place here in downtown Tulsa as lawmakers, veterans, and community leaders gathered here to celebrate a new era of care for Oklahoma veterans. The event took place at the site of the new VA Medical Center, where ownership was officially transferred from Oklahoma State University and VHiT LLC to the U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs. The $181.4 million project has been years in the making, with many veterans calling it a long-awaited step towards better, more accessible health care. Last year, Congress unanimously approved the name James Mountain Inhofe VA Medical Center, honoring the late Senator Jim Inhofe, a longtime champion of U.S. service members and one of the strongest supporters of this project. The project was funded through the Chip In Veterans Act, with $25 million coming from private donations. And the new facility features 58 beds, 4 operating suites, a full emergency department, and will serve more than 66,000 patients a year, which is a 14% increase in care for Oklahoma veterans. It also creates 50 new OSU medicine residency spots, expanding training for future doctors right here in Tulsa. And while the Muskogee VA Medical Center will remain open after lawmakers halted a plan to close it, this new facility brings care closer to Tulsa veterans, improving access and reducing travel time.
So it was a mixed feeling, but I think as it evolves, the facilities, the quality of care, our retention, hospitals, as far as our doctors and nurses, it was a lot harder to recruit in Muskogee, and a lot of our doctors and nurses were having to drive from Tulsa and not living in Muskogee but driving to the VA, so our retention for our healthcare professionals will be better. So I think our veterans overall will see better care.
Now that construction has concluded, the VA will begin staffing and equipping the facility, with doors expected to open in early 2026, which is a proud moment for Tulsa and a promise of stronger care for those who served our country. Reporting in Tulsa, Jaya Brown, News Channel 8.